through email. No soft copy is allowed. The hard copy has to be put outside the Arthur Road jail. That's the Zamanat box. That Zamanat box is already opened at 5:32 p.m. And let me tell you now, time has run out. So now Aryan Khan cannot be released. The released order now has to be put inside the Zamanat box. That can happen anytime from now. They can put it at 7, 8, 9 p.m. anytime they want. But that box now will open only at tomorrow 6 in the morning. And after which, let me tell you, it takes around 1 hour time for the completing all the procedures and the formalities to get over. So the news which we are breaking on India Today, Aryan Khan is not going to come out from the Arthur Road jail today. He will be only released from the Arthur Road jail, that is tomorrow, by 8 a.m. in the morning.
Let me just stay with me, Mustafa and Saurabh. You've heard it first, as always, here on India Today. Aryan will be spending another night in jail, and the simple reason for that, as Saurabh has broken first here on India Today, is that the paperwork, the bail order, could not reach the Arthur Road jail in time. They could not meet the deadline. It was literally a race against time. And Satish Mane Shinde, the lawyer for Aryan Khan, who has those papers in his hand and is rushing through Mumbai traffic towards Arthur Road jail, has basically not been able to reach there before 5:30 p.m., which is the last check of the bail order box, the lock and key box, which is checked for inmates. So very clearly they've missed the deadline, and those rules cannot be bent for anyone, as Mustafa, a reporter, said, at Arthur Road jail, because there are other inmates, and if you break rules for someone, you'll have to break those rules for everyone else. Saurabh, so basically this was an unfortunate race against time. You had all the top lawyers trying to complete all those formalities, but there was no way to accelerate it. They still had to go through all the paperwork. You had Juhi Chawla, you had Satish Mane Shinde, you had Shah Rukh, you had all these people. But at the end of the day, rules are rules, deadlines are deadlines, and the race against time could not ensure that Aryan comes out today. So it will have to be tomorrow, not a Friday release, a Saturday release.
Well, absolutely, Shiv, and this is what the formalities and the procedures take time. You know, they had battery of advocates placed everywhere. Since morning, there were advocates who were present outside the chamber of the judge inside the Bombay High Court. They wanted to get the release order as soon as possible. The judge was actually dictating the order, and as soon as the order was there, they immediately rushed to the Sessions Court. And let me tell you, it's just 2 minutes away from the Bombay High Court to this particular Sessions Court. They had their surety ready, they have their solvency certificate ready, they had all the cash available with them. They also had a person who would take the release order directly to the Arthur Road jail. But let me tell you, to complete all the procedures and the formality, it was race against time, and it could not get over on time. So what right now the things have happened is that just from some time from now, there is a lot of rush, let me tell you. Because, you know, it's not just one person who gets bail. There are so many people who get bail in different cases. So at that particular register office, the procedure actually takes time. You have to completely give your identity cards, your documents, that has to be jotted down. The witness, the surety who stays for the accused in this case, that has to appear before the register, and then their details has been jotted down. So it definitely takes a lot of time, and therefore now it's already past 5:30. The jail officials have confirmed to India Today that Aryan Khan won't be released today. Only when the jail officials get the release order, when that release order is actually put inside the Zamanat box outside the Arthur Road jail. So then tomorrow in the morning, Shiv, at 6 in the morning, when they open this particular box, only after which the proceedings to release Aryan Khan get started.
So Aryan Khan will probably spend a slightly easier night in jail today, knowing that it's going to be his last night before being released tomorrow. That is confirmed now. There's no longer any suspense. There was some suspense over whether he was going to be released today. The deadline has not been met, and therefore he's only going to be released tomorrow. I want to go across to India Today's Mustafa Sheikh once again. He's at the Arthur Road jail. Mustafa, Satish Mane Shinde and his team are on their way. They haven't reached just yet. So basically, if I am correct, they're going to reach, they're going to deposit the bail order papers inside the Zamanat box, and then they're going to leave. There's nothing more to be done. They just have to drop the papers, and then they leave, and tomorrow morning it's opened, and then Aryan can walk out, correct?
Correct. That's the correct procedure, Shiv, because the operative order was given today by High Court. Then they came to Sessions Court. There had to be a surety given, which is given with the collector's office, and that procedure, Vidya tells us, is over. As Juhi Chawla was the person who gave surety inside the court, and then once the procedures are over, then by late evening or in a few hours, the team of Satish Manu Shinde or Satish Manu Shinde himself will reach here, deposit the entire paperwork outside the jail. And as Saurabh was telling us, it would be in the first batch, which is 6 a.m. The first batch wherein these papers will be taken out, and then around 10 a.m., 11 a.m. is when Aryan Khan is likely to come out. But yes, all this timeline can be decided only once after the bail papers are deposited. We have to wait and see what Vidya tells us from court as to all the formalities are completed or not. Once they are, and all the formalities are completed, the papers are put in, then in the first half, Aryan Khan tomorrow morning, it will be a Saturday release for Aryan Khan tomorrow morning, the first batch. Back to you.
There are many bail formalities and bail conditions on which Aryan Khan has been granted this bail, as our reporters had brought to us first here on India Today. One final question to you, Saurabh, and we'll have those graphics on your screen about what conditions Aryan Khan will have to follow in order to actually enjoy this bail. But Shah Rukh Khan left from Mannat a short while ago, Saurabh. What's happening in Mannat right now? You know, we saw Abram yesterday waving at the crowds. Shah Rukh left today. I'm sure the family was hoping that today would be the day that they would welcome Aryan back home, but it's going to have to be tomorrow. Any insight into whether Shah Rukh and Gauri will be going to the jail now that they have some kind of predictability? They know that he's going to be out tomorrow, so maybe they can plan his welcome better. Maybe they'll go to the jail to get him.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. Actually, they had a plan that they could directly go to Arthur Road jail and receive Aryan Khan. And that's what we heard in the afternoon itself when two cars from Mannat actually left. Let me show you the current visuals over here, Shiv. We are outside Mannat, and there was huge crowd in the afternoon because when the order copy of Aryan Khan came out, the fans slowly started to gather over here. There was huge crowd. So what the Mumbai police did is they have made the whole barricading over here. You can see over here, these are the barricading which are put up by the Mumbai police officials, the cops which are deployed. And what they are saying is that they have removed all the crowd from here. And now this is the current situation. But yes, Shiv, again, we are expecting that when tomorrow Aryan Khan gets released from the jail, definitely someone from his family will be at Arthur Road jail to receive him. So this is very...
Saurabh, we'll leave it there for the moment. We'll leave it there for the moment with these images of Mannat, which is going to get ready to receive Aryan Khan back home tomorrow. The return of Aryan Khan after 27 days in custody, 22 days behind bars. He'll be spending his 22nd night in jail today. Saurabh and his team will bring us the very latest overnight and tomorrow morning as well. That coverage non-stop here on India Today. Also with Pooja, after this very short break, the big story continues. Also, the tragic demise of Puneet in Bengaluru. That's coming up with Pooja next.